Hi everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome back again to another video class. Welcome to this Tuesday Snack, our second day of the week. Welcome to this day with science experiment, numbers, sounds, and music. I hope that you had a fantastic Monday. I hope that you had lots of fun doing the activities that I sent and also listening to that storytelling time. And today we are heading to the last day of our science experiment with the egg. So, do you remember these three drawings of here? Yes, so these were the first 1, 2, and 3 days, the first 3 days with our eggs in the water and vinegar. So we said that for the egg in the water, nothing happened. It stayed like that. It was hard when you touch it. You could see through. Nothing happened. However, something happened with our egg in the vinegar. The day 1, it was good. Day 2, good, but with some bubbles at the top that I had to remove. Then in day 3, when you touch it, it was soft. Can you touch your hand here, your palm, like this? You touch it and it was very soft. Then we went through day 4, 5, 6, and to day 7. And in the last 2 days, I could see some even more changes. So for example, the egg in the water, it stayed like that, nothing happened. But the egg in the vinegar in day 6, this one had a little ball. When you touch it, it was soft. And then in day 7, when you touch the egg, it was very squishy. I'm going to show you how they look. So this is our egg in the water. Look, I'm going to remove it from the water, if possible. Yes, look. Can you listen? Can you listen? It's hard. It sounds when it touches the glass because it is hard. However, look. Look at this right here. This is our egg in the vinegar. I had to remove some bubbles again and look. Can you see me? I'm going to try to remove it from the cup. I'm going to put it here in a bowl. I have a bowl here because we need to be very careful. Remember that this is smelly because it's vinegar. It's very smelly. So watch out. And look, our egg looks bigger. Look, it is bigger, it's heavier, and it is squishy. Look, like a little bubble. And look what also happens. So this is our day 7, and I'm going to take it off the vinegar, but if you want, you can keep it another 7 days inside because look, the vinegar starts to remove the eggshell, and by the end of 7 more days, you are going to be able to see through the egg and you're going to see the egg yolk. Look, little by little is going away all the white and the hard shell, and by the end you're going to have only the egg with nothing to protect. Look, you see? Like that. You are going to be able to see through, and you will be able to see how an egg looks inside without breaking it. This is because the vinegar is very strong, so it starts to break this very hard eggshell. So in the end, when we finish our experiment, I'm going to put it on a side. When we finish our experiment, what we're going to have in the end is oh, I have a marker. We're going to have a tiny egg. Now it's going to be a big egg, a very big egg. I'm going to write here big egg, and with no more white, because the white will go away and we will be able to see through. So this is the end of our 7-day science project. We finally got to see how to see an egg without breaking it, and maybe if you have it there 7 more days, you will have a different result. Who knows? So thank you for coming to this class. I hope that your egg looks like this, big, 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 big. And or if you had another changes, can you let me know? Can you show me your eggs now? Wow, it looks like mine, just this big. And now we also find out that water does nothing to add eggs, unlike vinegar. So thank you for coming. I hope in the next class we can do more fun science experiment, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.